When this processing plant first called us, they had a serious problem. Their HVAC system was relatively new, but it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. Rooms felt uncomfortable, humidity was inconsistent. And most importantly, the process itself was being affected. On paper, the system looked fine, but in reality it was creating daily operational headaches. The plant team was dealing with unstable temperatures, excess moisture in critical areas, growing concerns about product quality, and steadily rising energy costs. The most frustrating part was that the system was technically running, yet it wasn't supporting the operation at all. The core problem wasn't bad equipment or poor maintenance, it was design. The HVAC system had been designed like an office building. But this wasn't an office, it was a processing plant. Processing facilities operate continuously, generate moisture, and require much tighter environmental control. And the original design simply didn't account for those realities. As a result, the HVAC system was always reacting, never truly in control. When we stepped in, we didn't start by replacing equipment. We focused on understanding what the process actually needed, how the space was being used day to day, and where conditions were consistently drifting out of range. That approach allowed us to target the real problem instead of just treating symptoms. We made 3 key changes. First, we gave humidity the attention it needed, because moisture control was the biggest missing piece. And once it was addressed, conditions stabilized almost immediately. Second, we balanced fresh air properly, adjusting outdoor air intake to meet safety and compliance needs without overwhelming the system. Third, we retuned the controls so the system prioritized consistent conditions rather than theoretical energy savings on paper. For the first time, the HVAC system worked with the process instead of against it. After these changes, temperatures stayed consistent, humidity remained within safe limits. Product-related issues stopped, energy use became predictable, and operators no longer had to fight the system. Most importantly, the facility could focus on production again rather than HVAC problems. The takeaway is simple: a processing plant needs HVAC designed for the process, not just for comfort. When a system is designed around how a facility actually operates, efficiency and reliability follow naturally. If your facility struggles with humidity, unstable conditions, or HVAC systems that never feel quite right, the issue is often the original design approach. And we help facilities correct systems that were never designed for how they truly operate.